Brother Embroidery Machine, PE770, 5x7 embroidery machine with built-in memory, USB port, 6 lettering fonts, 136 built-in designs. Expansive 5x7 field. The Brother PE770 embroidery machine provides ample space for larger designs and lettering projects. 136 built-in embroidery designs, access 10 frame shapes, 6 lettering fonts, and 12 border styles that can help you design elegant quilt patterns.MAX Embroidery Area 130, x 180, y mm max embroidery speed 650 SPM. Built-in memory, the PE770 embroidery machine allows you to import designs from your USB memory stick thanks to a built-in USB port. Extensive design editing. The Brother PE770 offers you flexible design editing features, including mirror image, rotate, and size edits. Reliable easy threading. Threading the top thread and bobbin and precision thread trimming is made easy with the Brother PE770. Virtually unlimited stitches with the My Custom Stitch feature. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.